Welcome, in front of me is a DOOPRO P5, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So, number one, it's just like the device, and as you can already see, I took the cover off just so I don't have to do it on the camera to struggle with it. But you have a pull tab on the basically right here, so it's, if you're looking straight on the device, on the bottom right side, so right here, and you just want to start from there and take off the entire cover. From there, you're gonna put in the SIM card and SD card. Now I'm starting with the SD, which goes over here, which is the bottom lowest place, and then the SD card has two different places, so it has either on the left or right side, so it's completely up to you where you put it in. And the size of it is the middle size, so it's not the smallest one, but it's also not the biggest one. So just slide it in there, and before your SIM card and SD card actually starts working, you will need to reboot the device. As you can see, nothing is happening. The SIM card has a PIN number, which, as you can see, it has not popped out. So let's hold power key and select reboot. Now once the device comes back on, the card will then be working. Okay, and as you can see, now the device is back on. There's the SD card message, and also there is the PIN number or PIN for the SIM card. So let's just put that in, and now it's unlocked and everything is working just fine. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.